Today we will show you how to uninstall a specific Windows update in Windows 11. Perhaps a recent Windows update is causing trouble or has been recommended by Microsoft to uninstall temporarily. These issues may include slow performance, frequent crashes, or software incompatibilities. Removing the problematic update can potentially restore your computer's stability and performance. Today we will walk you through how to uninstall a Windows update from your Windows 11 PC. Here's how to install an update. Right-click on the Start button, typically found at the bottom of the screen. Then, click on Settings. From the Windows Settings screen that appears, click on Windows Update. Click on View Update History. Under Related Settings, click on Uninstall Updates. Select the update you would like to uninstall from the list shown here, and then click on Uninstall to proceed with removing the update. You may need to restart your computer if prompted. And that's how you uninstall a specific Windows update from within Windows 11. We hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and products from the best computer store in the world.